Begin by removing the center section of the exhaust to gain access to the drive shaft. This car has an aftermarket exhaust, so your process may vary slightly, but unbolt it from the downpipes, then from the rear section of the exhaust, and pull it off of the car. Next, unbolt the heat shield from the car. You will now have access to the driveshaft carrier. Make a cut on each side of the carrier frame. Support the driveshaft. Using a razor blade, cut the bottom piece off of the bearing. Then unbolt it from the car. Lower it down and cut the rest of the frame away from the bearing using your razor blade. Then cut the remaining center rubber rib all the way around until it's flush with the base layer of rubber, but keep the base layer of rubber intact. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. Now you can install the new carrier. Start with the top half, with the bushing in it, and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, take a provided shoulder bolt, add a fender washer, an isolation damper facing up, slide it up through the carrier, add another isolation damper facing down, and place a small gold washer on the very top. Loosely thread that into the car, and repeat these steps on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper facing up, up through the carrier, another damper facing down, and the small gold washer on top. Tighten both sides to the car. Reinstall your heat shield and exhaust, and your installation is complete.